You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, originally from Latin, in Italian. If you want to learn more Latin expressions, more useful Latin and Italian vocabulary, stay tuned. Got more videos for you. Italian pronunciation, cum laude, from Latin, cum laude. Cum laude. How to pronounce in Italian, cum laude. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.